God will always keep his promise, because God is a God of his promises. In Isaiah 45, God promises to go before you. In Matthew 11, God promises to give you rest. In Philippians 4:19, God promises to take care of all of your needs according to his riches in glory. In Matthew 7:7, God promises to answer all of your prayers. He doesn't promise that the answer will be what you want, but he promises that the answer will be what you need. In Romans 8:28, God promises to work all things out for his good for those who love him and are called according to his purpose. In Romans 8:38, God promises because of his love, you'll never be separated from him. And in John 3:16, God promises everlasting life. God is a God of his promises, and if we are to accomplish what God calls us to do, we must stand on the promise of God and remember that God's promises are yes and amen.
As you go through this week, may the peace of God that surpasses all understanding be with you wherever you go. Let this divine peace guide your steps, calm your spirit, and fill your heart with unwavering confidence. No matter the challenges you face or the obstacles in your path, remember that this peace is a constant companion, empowering you to rise above difficulties and embrace each moment with grace and strength.